Episode of In Depth with Academia. I'm Richard Price, your host and the CEO of academia.edu. Today we're diving into a fascinating research paper by Adang Kasmawijaya and team, focusing on a topic that's pretty vital for our aquatic friends, the transport of Vietnamese shrimp using nanobubble technology. So why is this important, right? Well, transporting shrimp over long distances can be quite the challenge for farmers, especially when it comes to maintaining water quality and minimizing stress on the shrimp. At the core of this study is the question: how can we improve the survival rate of Vietnamese shrimp during transport? The authors are looking into nanobubbles as a potential. This is where nanobubbles come into play. But wait, what exactly are nanobubbles? In simple terms, they're tiny bubbles capable of enhancing oxygen levels in water, which is crucial during long transport times. This paper delves into whether nanobubbles can help keep shrimp healthier during their journey. Kasmawijaya and colleagues set up an experiment with different factors to see the effects of nanobubble oxygenation compared to regular pure oxygen over various transport durations like 24 and 48 hours. I mean, have you ever thought about how tiny bubbles could change the game for aquaculture? It's kind of mind-boggling. The researchers used a 2x2 factorial design, which sounds a bit technical, but it's really just a way to organize the experimental conditions systematically. They compared the effects of nanobubbles and pure oxygen across those transport durations. Now here comes the juicy part, the findings. The study noted that shrimp transported with nanobubbles showed higher dissolved oxygen levels, even after 48 hours. The difference was significant. Nanobubble oxygenation maintained a concentration of, like, 22.65 mRL compared to just 1021 mRL with pure oxygen. That's over double. Talk about making a splash in the world of aquaculture, right? But it wasn't just about oxygen levels. The researchers also looked at the buildup of carbon dioxide, and guess what? Nanobubbles helped keep those levels lower too. While using them, carbon dioxide levels decreased significantly compared to the pure oxygen method. Let's not forget why this matters: the survival rate. It turns out that shrimp survival was indeed higher with nanobubbles. After the journey and a 7-day recovery period, shrimp that were transported with nanobubbles had a better survival rate compared to those in regular oxygen environments. This suggests that nanobubble technology could be a game changer, potentially increasing productivity and reducing losses in shrimp farming. Now, as promising as these findings are, it's important to remember this is just one study. While these findings open new doors, they're not necessarily the end-all be-all. Academic research is all about the continuous cycle of questioning, exploring, and validating. Taking a quick step back, you might wonder, what does this mean for you or for me? Well, if you're involved in aquaculture or know someone in the industry, perhaps it's time to consider these innovative methods of using nanobubble technology to enhance aquatic transport systems. And if you're a consumer, understanding this can give you insight into how the food you eat manages to stay fresh and healthy from pond to plate. So imagine you're a shrimp farmer or maybe an aquaculture enthusiast thinking about logistics. You've probably encountered challenges with transporting live shrimp, right? These insights could possibly revolutionize transport processes, improving efficiency, reducing waste, and enhancing profitability. In wrapping up, I want to stress that while these findings are quite exciting, there's more research to be done, more questions to ask, and so much more to learn. Innovations like nanobubble technology showcase just a snippet of how science continuously evolves to meet complex challenges. And that's it for today's episode. Thank you for tuning into In Depth with Academia. I hope you gained a new perspective on how scientific innovation can reshape industries and perhaps even inspire you to look at everyday problems through a new lens. If you enjoyed this dive into Vietnamese shrimp transport magic, stay tuned for more exploratory episodes where we unravel the wonders of academic inquiry. I'm Richard Price, wishing you a day filled with curiosity and wonder. Until next time, keep questioning and keep discovering.